Hi everyone, happy Monday. Today's wig comes from AshimaryHair. We're going to be doing an unboxing and styling, and we're also just going to slate this wig down. The link will be below. Don't forget about those Black Friday sales. We are getting into this month with lots of sales. AshimaryHair will always throw in some accessories, especially around this time, so they give you a little bit of extras in your box to go with these Black Friday sales. I'm really excited for this wig because I just know it's going to eat out the box, okay? As always, Ashimary comes through with that pre-plucked hairline, so straight out the box, you don't have to do anything to the wig. Now, this wig today did not come with pre-cut lace, so you do have to cut the lace off. It's okay, but look at that hairline. The cap construction is a 13x6, and it does have the dome cap in the back. You can wear this wig glueless with this adjustable strap. It doesn't have a built-in adjustable strap, but it does have a comb, and the cap is super stretchy in the back. Now on the website, you can get the option to get the pre-cut lace. They charge a little extra for that if you want it pre-cut, but look how beautiful this hairline is. Look how far down it comes. So I'm going to actually remove some of that, but I do have enough to make that option so that I can fit it to my head correctly. So I love when I have extra at the sideburn area. That way I can fit it perfectly without it being too short. All right, let's get into this hair though, because this just looks so fire and it lays so flat. I haven't even glued it down, baby. Now the cap fits pretty good. There's just a little bit of extra in the back, but I am going to take the comb and kind of put it into my hair at the nape, that way it can stay still, and I'm also tightening up that strap in the back. So for the lace, I'm going to go ahead and remove this extra lace. You can cut it as close to that hairline as you want to. I feel like the lace isn't Swiss lace, but it is very blendable. It definitely has that lighter tint to it, so you may need to go back and tint it slightly. It's okay. I'm going to take my sticky little secret melting spray, and we're going to melt this lace on down. You always want to make sure your wig is positioned correctly on your head before you do this, because if it's too far back or too far forward, it's not going to look as realistic as it possibly can. I'm not creating edges today because I just feel like the hairline by itself looks amazing. So I'm just going to melt this on down. All right, let's talk about this hair. This hair texture is a body wave. Straight out the box, this is what it looks like. This wig goes from a 10-inch, or you can get all the way up to a 32-inch. I believe mine is a 26-inch, and it's a lot of hair, okay? They have 180% density, and they also have a 250% density. I believe mine is the 250. It's super thick, but it's also very lightweight at the same time. The hair flows so beautifully, and there's no tangles in the hair. As you can see, I can brush through it and it's completely tangle free. I did add a little bit of water, so this is what the body wave will look like just with a little water in it. I didn't wash it. I just added the water because I'm going to dry it in a second. But this is gorgeous. Like, the hair is eating down, honey. One thing Ashimary is going to do is come correct when it comes to their hair. I don't know what type of hair this is, but this hair just be flowing. It's very theatrical. It's very dramatic. It's just an overall beautiful texture. So now you're about to see what it looked like when I take the dryer to it and blow it out. So this is what the hair look like when you blow it out with the dryer. Super gorgeous, so soft, y'all. I just love the texture of this hair. All right, so what I'm gonna do in today's video is do several different styles. So if you stay tuned, you'll get to see the styles that I create in today's hair. Also, if you have not, go ahead and click that subscribe button. You'll know if you're subscribed because you'll get that notification bell. And when you get that notification bell, y'all, go ahead and click that so that you can get alerts when I do upload new videos, so you won't miss any of these good deals, and you can come hang out with me anytime I upload, and also like the video. All right, so here's what the hairline look like now that I have done everything. I've curled the hair, added just a little bit of layers in the front. Girl, look at that hair. Oh my god, like when I flipped that hair over, I damn near passed out. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm sorry for my language, but the hair was gorgeous when I flipped that over. So I did go back over the lace with a little bit of my bronzer just to touch it up. You can also use a lace tint and tint that area to match your forehead, and it should work out pretty well. But this is what it looked like with a flip over method. You just flip the hair. You can wear it like this with no parting. I'm going to do it again because the hair is just giving life right now, and I wasn't expecting it. In my mind, I was like, okay, I'm gonna have to add a part for this to look good. But girl, no, I didn't need a part. I didn't need one at all. Now the great thing I said about the size is that it come down so you can create a sideburn area there if you need to. It works really good, and as you can see, I am still completely glueless. I'm only using a melting spray to lay down the lace, but I do want to show you guys how you can part this hair, because you can part it. You can do a middle part, you can do a side part, you can do no part as you see, and it looks really good in that scalp area. But for the most part, you are able to part anywhere on that lace. And this is what the hair looked like with the middle part. Looks absolutely gorgeous, and those curls are holding. And that's the one thing I love about the body wave texture, is that it's going to hold a curl better than the straight texture, of course. So I wanted to show you how easy it is to style. One thing about Ashimary hair is their wigs are so easy to pull up. Even with a thicker density, the hair flows so good that you can easily pull it from side to side, up, down. With this being a 13/6 cap though, you won't be able to pull it completely up into a ponytail. I mean you can, but you don't have no lace in the back. So for the most part, you're going to get the most benefit off of doing your half up, half down styles. And as you can see, it just looks so good. Now, one of their Black Friday deals is you can get $120 off of your wig plus a free wig. So new customers get $200 off. So go to their website right now, use the link in the description box, and check out their Black Friday sales. You do not want to miss this. It will be between the 15th to the 30th. So you got a little time if you are wanting to get this style. All links will be below in the description box. But yes, I love this wig so much. Like, it's gorgeous. It was so easy to style. The hair is super long, okay? And like I said, you can get it all the way up to a 30-inch if you want to, or you can go shorter if you want to save some money, because usually the lengths add to the price, okay? So again, everything will be linked below. Thank you guys so much for joining me back for today's video. Please subscribe, like the video, share the video, and I will see you back in my next video. Thank you, love.